Welcome aboard Google Cloud again. So we're going to be working in the Spanner database. Okay, what I have to do here, come to Spanner, okay, create instance, whatever on, give it a running. So so long ago that I don't see anything here. Let's create a provisioned instance. Let's give it a name, leave the ID. Let's say for regional, let's click on create. Select the configuration region. Let's go into the instance of variable. Let's create a database. Let's give it a name. Okay, Google Standard SQL, like we can leave for that. Let's define our schema. Let's leave on Google Standard SQL. And that's great. Okay, table is created. That's all I like to share in this video. Thanks for watching.